These are not cars, these are monsters. 6 wheels, 1,000 horsepower, armored bodies, electric beasts, and machines that can drive on land and water. If you think you've seen crazy vehicles before, this video will prove you wrong. Rizvani Vengeance. Rizvani Vengeance is a high-performance vehicle produced by Rizvani Motors, an American automotive manufacturer that is widely known for designing exotic, aggressive, and powerful machines. The Vengeance stands out as one of the company's most remarkable creations because of its bold design and serious performance focus. It is built to deliver an exceptional driving experience by combining raw power with advanced engineering. The vehicle is usually equipped with strong engines that generate high levels of horsepower and torque, allowing it to accelerate quickly and reach impressive top speeds without hesitation. Beyond performance, the Rizvani Vengeance is instantly recognizable due to its aggressive exterior appearance. Sharp body lines, a low-slung stance, and bold styling elements give it a menacing and commanding road presence. The design is meant to turn heads while also reflecting strength and exclusivity. Because of its performance capabilities, unique styling, and limited nature, the Rizvani Vengeance is positioned as a premium vehicle. Its price reflects its exclusivity, advanced features, and the brand's focus on delivering something far beyond an ordinary production car. Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6. Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6 is an extreme Jeep-based vehicle that pushes the limits of what a road-legal machine can be. It makes even famous 6-wheeled vehicles, like the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6, seem ordinary in comparison. The Hellfire is designed for those who want maximum presence, power, and capability in a single package. Under the hood, it is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged Hellcat V8 engine that is tuned to produce an astonishing 750 horsepower. This immense power is delivered through an 8-speed automatic transmission connected to a specialized drivetrain system. Depending on the selected driving mode, the vehicle can send power to either 4 wheels or all 6 wheels, giving it incredible versatility on and off the road. The Hellfire also features major upgrades, such as heavy-duty front and rear winches, massive 40-inch tires, power running boards, removable doors, and a removable roof. Inside, the cabin is finished with hand-stitched leather and modern features, including push-button start, a reversing camera, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and a premium audio system, making it both brutal and luxurious. Quanta R is a unique creation developed by the Ukrainian workshop Iron Custom Motors, blending the characteristics of a car and an ATV into a single aggressive machine. This vehicle immediately stands out due to its matte black body, constructed from a combination of aluminum and carbon fiber, giving it both strength and lightweight performance. The design is unconventional and eye-catching, with headlights, lighting elements, and mirrors sourced from various motorcycle models, adding to its raw and mechanical appearance. Beneath the exterior, the Quanta R is built on a tubular steel chassis that provides rigidity and durability. Power comes from a 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer engine that has been heavily upgraded for performance. The engine features a methanol injection system and offers multiple power levels, ranging from 350 horsepower all the way up to 600 horsepower. Despite its aggressive performance potential, the vehicle weighs only around 750 kilograms, which greatly enhances acceleration. Thanks to its lightweight construction and powerful engine options, the Quanta R is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds, while its top speed can reach up to 200 kilometers per hour. Slingshot Roush. Slingshot Roush Registered Edition is a high-performance 3-wheeled machine designed to deliver a thrilling and aggressive driving experience. Producing around 203 horsepower, this special edition Slingshot combines lightweight construction with performance-focused upgrades. It comes equipped with a Slingshot excursion top, Brembo registered brakes, exclusive slotted rotors, and a wide 305mm rear tire that enhances grip and stability. The exterior styling is unmistakably Roush, featuring bold design elements that immediately set it apart from standard models. Inside, the Slingshot Roush Registered Edition continues its premium theme with high-quality Roush registered seats, a distinctive Roush gauge, and a Roush branded block on the manual gear shifter. The full graphics package and blacked-out badging further enhance its aggressive character. This vehicle is built to bring a racetrack-inspired attitude to the streets. It is important to note that the Slingshot is classified as a three-wheeled motorcycle, not a traditional automobile. It does not include airbags and does not meet standard automotive safety regulations, and its handling characteristics may differ, especially in wet or challenging road conditions. Bugatti Baby 2. Bugatti Baby 2 is a miniature yet highly sophisticated vehicle created by the Little Car Company in partnership with the iconic British luxury brand Asprey London. This collaboration resulted in a one-of-a-kind special edition that blends craftsmanship, luxury, and performance in a compact electric form. The Bugatti Baby 2 is offered exclusively in rear-wheel drive and features a fully electric, high-performance powertrain. It is equipped with hydraulic brakes and selectable driving modes, allowing it to adapt to different skill levels and environments. The Asprey Studio Edition includes two primary driving modes. The Novice mode limits the vehicle to 20 kilometers per hour and delivers 1.3 brake horsepower, making it suitable for beginners. The Expert mode increases performance, allowing speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour and producing 5.4 brake horsepower. In addition to these modes, the Bugatti Baby 2 offers an extra performance boost that can be unlocked using the legendary Bugatti Speed Key. This feature reflects the brand's heritage while providing an added sense of excitement and exclusivity to this small but impressive machine. Morgan Plus 4 CXT. The Morgan Plus 4 is a classic roadster that has been produced by Morgan since 1950, representing decades of traditional British automotive craftsmanship. The modern version of the Plus 4, released after 2020, blends timeless design with modern engineering and comfort. It features an attractive exterior that stays true to Morgan's heritage while incorporating subtle updates for a contemporary look. Inside, the vehicle offers a driver-focused interior designed to enhance the connection between the driver and the road. The Morgan Plus 4 is powered by a BMW Source 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces around 255 horsepower and between 350 and 400 newton-meters of torque. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic transmission, both paired with a rear-wheel drive layout. Performance is strong for a lightweight roadster, with acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour achieved in approximately 4.8 to 5.2 seconds, and a top speed of around 240 kilometers per hour. Modern technology features include a digital driver information display, optional Bluetooth connectivity, and an upgraded sound system. Donkervoort D8 GTO JD70. The Donkervoort D8 GTO JD70 is a high-performance sports car produced by Donkervoort Automobiles and represents one of the most extreme road-legal machines ever created by the brand. The JD70 is a special edition model built to celebrate the 70th birthday of the company's founder, Joop Donkervoort, and it reflects his philosophy of lightweight engineering and pure driving focus. This car is designed as a street-legal track machine, meaning it is capable of delivering race car-level performance while still being driven on public roads. Power comes from an Audi-sourced turbocharged inline 5-cylinder engine that produces around 415 horsepower and 520 newton-meters of torque. Combined with the vehicle's extremely lightweight construction, this results in an outstanding power-to-weight ratio. The JD70 is known for its explosive acceleration, capable of reaching 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 2.7 seconds. It also delivers an impressive top speed of more than 280 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest accelerating production cars in the world. Its raw driving experience, minimal weight, and focused design make it a true performance icon. Rams Mobile RM-X2. The Rams Mobile RM-X2 is an extraordinary and futuristic vehicle that blends advanced technology, extreme performance, and luxurious design into a single platform. At its foundation, the RM-X2 uses a strong and lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which provides excellent structural rigidity while keeping overall weight under control. Certain areas of the vehicle are coated with Teflon, a unique feature that helps prevent mud and dirt from sticking to the exterior, maintaining its sleek appearance even in harsh environments. One of the most impressive features of the RM-X2 is its advanced air suspension system, which offers up to 12 inches of suspension travel. A laser sensor automatically adjusts the vehicle's ride height to ensure optimal comfort and stability on different terrains. The body itself is made from carbon composite materials and rides on a sophisticated hydropneumatic suspension system that includes titanium components for added strength and durability. The RMX-2 offers multiple powertrain options, including gasoline, diesel, and electric. Gasoline power is provided by a GM-sourced LT5 6.2-liter twin-turbo V8, while diesel buyers can opt for a 6.6-liter Duramax engine paired with an Allison transmission. GMC Hummer EV. The GMC Hummer EV marks the dramatic return of the legendary Hummer nameplate, this time reimagined as a fully electric pickup truck. Once known for its massive fuel consumption and bold presence, the Hummer has been reborn as an off-road-focused electric powerhouse. The GMC Hummer EV is equipped with an electric powertrain, producing up to 1,000 horsepower, giving it astonishing performance for a vehicle of its size. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, a figure that rivals many high-performance sports cars. Despite being electric, the Hummer EV is designed to dominate rough terrain, using advanced suspension systems and powerful torque delivery to tackle rocks, mud, and steep obstacles. One of its standout features is rear-wheel steering, which significantly improves maneuverability in tight spaces. This system also enables the unique crab walking mode, allowing the vehicle to move diagonally to navigate difficult terrain. While competitors like the Ford F-150 Lightning focus more on everyday utility, the Hummer EV is designed as a bold lifestyle vehicle, offering extreme capability, cutting-edge technology, and a sense of fun rather than traditional work truck practicality. Beck Mono R. Beck Mono R is the most advanced and extreme evolution of the iconic single-seat sports car developed by Briggs Automotive Company. Designed as the ultimate expression of performance, the Mono R represents the pinnacle of lightweight engineering, innovation, and track-focused design. Compared to the standard Mono, the Mono R is more powerful, lighter, and more technologically advanced. It produces around 340 brake horsepower while weighing just 555 kilograms, resulting in an astonishing power-to-weight ratio of approximately 612 horsepower per ton. This allows the Mono R to deliver blistering acceleration and razor-sharp handling both on the road and on the track. The vehicle uses next-generation materials and advanced manufacturing techniques to reduce weight while increasing strength and rigidity. Every aspect of the Mono R is designed with performance in mind, from its aerodynamic bodywork to its highly responsive suspension setup. Due to its extreme exclusivity, only 30 units of the Mono R were produced, and all were sold to existing back customers around the world. This limited production makes the Mono R not just a performance machine, but also one of the most exclusive and collectible supercars ever built. Gordon T-Max Trike. The Gordon T-Max Trike is a uniquely designed three-wheeled vehicle that focuses on balance, performance, and rider comfort. Its solid yet lightweight frame is engineered to extract the maximum torque and performance from the machine while maintaining stability and control. The overall design emphasizes a comfortable riding position that allows riders to enjoy both sporty handling and everyday usability. One of the key features of the Gordon T-Max Trike is its centrally mounted engine, which helps achieve excellent weight distribution and running stability. This setup enhances high-speed performance while also improving comfort during longer rides or daily commuting. The Trike successfully blends high sports performance with practical usability, making it suitable for both excitement and regular use. Aerodynamics play an important role in its design, contributing to improved efficiency and riding dynamics. The Gordon T-Max Trike represents a rebirth of the original T-Max style, refined and reimagined with Gordon's signature design philosophy. It delivers an active and exciting riding experience, inviting riders into a new world filled with character, charm, and a strong sense of individuality on the road. Big Dog 4x4 Wildland Fire Truck. The Big Dog 4x4 Wildland Fire Truck is a specialized emergency vehicle designed specifically for firefighting operations in rugged and challenging environments. It is built to combat wildfires and other wildland fires that occur in remote areas where rough terrain makes access difficult for standard fire trucks. Equipped with a heavy-duty four-wheel drive system and reinforced suspension, the Big Dog 4x4 can navigate uneven ground, steep inclines, and rocky landscapes commonly found in wildland regions. One of the reasons the Bulldog Extreme 4x4 fire truck has become highly sought after is its extreme off-road capability. It features massive 54-inch military-grade tires, a lifted transfer case, and an impressive 24 inches of ground clearance. Despite its rugged design, the vehicle can carry up to 2,000 gallons of water and foam, allowing it to perform extended firefighting operations without frequent refills. The Big Dog 4x4 is known for its versatility, reliability, and ability to reach areas that conventional fire trucks cannot, making it a critical tool for modern wildland firefighting teams. Mudox Vengeance. The Mudox Vengeance is an amphibious all-terrain vehicle designed specifically for extreme off-road and harsh environmental conditions, where ordinary vehicles fail to operate. It is manufactured by Mudox, a company known for producing highly durable, reliable, and versatile off-road machines built for work as well as adventure. The Vengeance is engineered to handle some of the most challenging environments on the planet, including deep mud, swamps, snow, marshlands, and rough, uneven terrain. One of its most impressive features is its amphibious capability, which allows it to operate both on land and in water without modification. The vehicle is equipped with flotation components that enable it to safely cross lakes, ponds, and flooded areas while maintaining stability and control. On land, the Mudox Vengeance uses large aggressive tires, a powerful engine, and high ground clearance to overcome obstacles that would stop conventional vehicles. Its rugged construction ensures durability under heavy use, making it suitable for rescue missions, outdoor work, and extreme exploration. The Vengeance is designed with practicality and toughness in mind, offering dependable performance in environments where reliability is critical. This combination of land and water capability makes the Mudox Vengeance a truly unique and highly capable all-terrain vehicle.